Good day everyone, I am Edric J. Comenador, a student from Laguna State Polytechnic University studying the course of Bachelor of Science in Tourism Management, now in 3rd year. At ngayon ay sasabihin ko kung ano-ano nga ba ang aking expectation sa aming new subject from our prof, Mr. J.M. Fadrigaran, which is the Transportation Management. So, let's go. So, what is my expectation or what are my expectations in this subject? I am looking forward for more deeper definition of transportation management because as per Sir JM's orientation lecture last week, there's also a lot of wide job opportunities you can pursue on transportation. And ayoko ring limitahan ng sarili kong kaisipan na ang transportasyon ay transportasyon lamang dahil sa industriya ng turismo, hindi lamang cabin crews ang pwede mong makuhaan ng trabaho, pati na rin sa iba't ibang sektor tulad ng transportasyon. And I hope na marami akong matutunan in this subject and sana ma-enjoy ko ang pakikinig sa mga lessons na itatakal pa namin sa mga susunod pang mga weeks. So that is all. Thank you very much.